Piano teachers. I have a very talented musically gifted kid. He's 6 years old, and I've had him for like 2 years. And although his listening abilities and his ears are in a very good and very high level, he even picks up harmonies. His reading abilities of the scores is very low, as we all know with those kids very often happens, because they only rely on their ear. So I've had him today at the lesson do my job. I asked him to pick my pencil, and while we were working on a phrase, every time that his right hand was playing the piece that he had to play, key by key, beat by beat, his left hand was supposed to follow those keys on that beat. And it actually worked. So this way, he gets to use this habit of, even with his head, with his muscles, looking at the scores, and secondly, subconsciously still in the beginning, to look at those little symbols and attach them to what he's playing, and not only relying on his ear and not even picking up his head. Although he can do this quite well, we're trying to reduce the gap that he has with his musical abilities, with his listening skills, which are, let's say, here, and his reading abilities, understanding how to read scores, is somewhere here. So we're trying little by little reducing that gap. So take a look at the exercise and how his hands and head was moving, and hopefully you'll find this useful.